Manure. Manure contains large quantities of organic matter and also supplies small quantities of nutrients to the soil. Manure is prepared by the decomposition of animal excreta and plant waste. Manure helps in enriching soil with nutrients and organic matter and increasing soil fertility and the soil structure. Manure increases the water-holding capacity in sandy soils. In clay soils, the large quantities of manure allow drainage and avoid waterlogging problems. In using manure, we use biological waste material, which is advantageous in protecting our environment from excessive use of fertilizers. Using biological waste material is also a way of recycling farm waste. Based on the kind of biological material used, manure can be classified as compost, vermicompost, and green manure. Compost. The compost is rich in organic matter and nutrients. It is prepared from waste materials of farm like cow dung, domestic waste, sewage waste, straw, eradicated weeds, etc., which is decomposed in a pit. Vermicompost. Compost prepared by using earthworms to hasten the process of decomposition of plant and animal refuse is called vermicompost. Green manure. Before sowing the crop seeds, some plants like sun hemp or guar are grown and then mulched by plowing them into the soil. These green plants thus turn into green manure, which help in enriching the soil in nitrogen and phosphorus.